What's up guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'll go out to shoot some street photography in Vienna and I hope to capture the autumn vibes of this city. I really love Vienna during autumn, as people slowly start to dress with leather jackets and winter coats again, lovely scarves and woolly hats start to become more and more common on the streets, and when combined with the old architecture of this city, it makes for a very aesthetically pleasing view for a photographer like myself. I began my walk in the narrow streets of the 8th district and will slowly walk towards the center to capture some trams in front of Rathaus and eventually some autumn colors inside of Volksgarten. I hope you enjoy this city from my GoPro as well as through the lens of my camera. Speaking of cameras, as you might have already noticed, today I'm using the Canon R6Mk II with the RF 200 lens. I use this lens pretty often when doing street photography because I love the compression that you get when zooming in, especially all the way to 200mm. It makes some very beautiful and unique perspectives possible which you don't get with your own eyes or the more traditional 35 or 50mm lenses that photographers use to shoot street. I've made some people angry in the past when I was using the 70 to 200mm lens to shoot street photography. They said it's impossible to shoot street photography with a 70 to 200mm lens and that all the great street photographers in the history have used 35 or 50mm lenses. But I find those comments quite ironic because first of all, that's exactly what I'm doing, namely street photography with the 70 to 200, so it's very possible. But secondly, photography is a creative craft, or let's say it can be a creative craft because there are also photographers who do their job by building the same set and getting the same shots of different people over and over again, making it into a production company rather than an artistic one. But anyways, it can also be a creative endeavor, and the very definition of creativity is that you try new things and new ways to do something. So in that regard, knowing all the capabilities of this lens and combining it with the fact that I'm, to be honest, a bit shy to get very close to people before getting their shot, I'd rather be on the other side of the street and capture a nice shot with a very smooth and compressed background using this lens. Let me know down below what lenses you use to shoot street and what you think about this approach. Would you use the 70 to 200 for street photography yourself? It was important to me to make this point clear before I get some more complaints about using this lens, so now I'll shut up and let you enjoy the rest of this video in peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already, and if you enjoy the videos that I make and want me to make more of them and better ones, please consider joining the channel and helping me with a small monthly donation.
Nessuno di cavallo.
As the sunlight faded away, the city lights around Fort Garten began to glow. The sounds of the city mixed with that of the ongoing breeze moving around the golden leaves on the trees made for a comforting and nostalgic blend which I set to enjoy after I had accomplished my goal.